Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are safe and staying at home. Wish you all the best. Today, I would like to discuss something about TDS on salaries mainly. As we are aware that our worthy Prime Minister, our worthy Finance Minister, in the latest budget changed the entire income tax slab system and tried to remove all the deductions from the income due to the fact that those creates some confusion, and she wanted to make it simplified. As per the new tax regime, every SSC shall be liable to pay tax as per the following slabs, like first 2,50,000 will be exempt, next 2,50,000 5%, then from 5 to 7.5 it is 10%, from 7.5 to 10 it is 15%, from 10 to 12.5 it is 25%, it is 20%, and from 12.5 to 15 it is 25%, and above 15 it is 30%. But it has been mentioned in the Finance Act that it is optional for the SSC to go for the new regime or to continue with the old regime. Means SSC can continue claiming those deductions and stay with the old regime, and in case SSC adopts new norms, new slabs, then no deduction will be available, and the major deductions which are removed, which will not be available in future, are standard deductions to employees, house rent allowance exemption, LTA exemption, medical insurance exemption, deduction under section 80C, that means savings, interest on education loan, interest on housing loan. These all will not be available in new regime, and it is for everybody, not only for the employees only, but there is a difference that each and every employee is supposed to give his or her declaration to the employer that which regime he or she is going to choose. and once he or she chooses a particular regime, he or she will have to stay with that regime during this fiscal year. From next year, he or she can opt for the old regime. But I may make it clear that for other assessees other than employees, those who have business income, they don't have the choice to change the tax regime once they adopt it or once they choose it. I mean to say, the assessees who have business income, and if they have chosen to remain in old regime, they will have to remain in the old regime only. They cannot change or convert it into new regime. So be careful while choosing the regime. Thanks.